So this is a Sprinter 3500 XD all-wheel drive Strada-ion.
Yeah. Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
I love this.
Come on in.
Ooh, I like
It's
this.
beautiful. Use the mask.
That's a cool
There you go.
door. I like
Yeah.
that.
Oh, let me turn the lights on.
And see, they have a Girard awning, which is the kind we need.
Yeah, it automatically comes in.
Well, no, we have
Yeah.
the same.
Oh, do you?
It's just the brand is really bad.
Yeah, ours has like a wind sensor, but it's a carefree awning, which is what it came with, and it's just not very
What sold
carefree.
me on this was the
fridge.
refrigerator.
Yes.
Because
It makes such a difference.
And this whole thing is a freezer.
Yep.
So is this a
Instead of having
closet or a
just
Yeah,
pantry?
little dorm.
So we put this in. So
Yeah.
we're adding a whole bunch of
Oh
stuff,
yeah.
you know.
Yep. You gotta,
So
Oh,
this
nice.
is-
very
yeah,
nice.
little pantry
That's great.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought hangers that we watch a lot of videos.
Yep.
So we had a couple that have been using
This.
this brand for years.
That's always what
I
you
love
need,
the
right?
I love the color.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And it's got it's got a nice deep sink, which I like because
We need one of these covers, by the way.
Yeah.
that helps a lot. I was
Yeah.
telling her that part of the thing about this van, and we had to go to the longer one because everything's insulated and all the batteries are internal.
Right.
So we have a nice deep sink here.
Oh, that's very nice.
Ooh, that's a very nice sink.
Yeah, nice deep sink. And
Nice countertop too.
yeah, nice countertop.
Is this induction?
Yes.
Okay, very cool.
And this is supposed to be a air fryer, convection,
Yeah.
and
Combination.
microwave
Okay.
combination.
Lots of cupboards and
Yeah.
space.
Yeah,
and
we're
Very
just
nice.
starting to fill things up here now finally.
Right. Getting ready for your trip.
Yeah.
And then actually, this is kind of overlooked. You need a nice mirror. You
Yeah.
know, a lot of them don't come with
Our
that.
other one had the mirror on the outside, which was kind of nice
Right.
because you didn't have to be in here.
Yeah.
But
Decent
our
sized
other one also
bathroom.
didn't have we didn't have a sink inside either.
Oh, okay.
And that's actually a decent sized bathroom sink.
It's pretty good.
I like
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Want to support our channel and join the adventure? Check out our new membership options. Be the first to join.
And then that will convert to a bed, obviously.
This converts to a bed. This table is a little smaller than the one we had before, and
Okay.
normally this would go in the closet, but a lot
Right.
of people just store it right here
Yeah.
because it's a lot easier.
Yep.
If you're using the closet as a closet, it's a pain in the neck to get it
Of
in
course.
and out.
Yes.
And these are all soft close.
Ooh, fancy. And they've got the pre-lit lights.
Yeah.
There's like LEDs up there.
That is the nice thing is that all the cabinets have cabinet lighting.
Yeah.
That's
And
really cool.
everything is separately
I
controlled.
love the
too.
quality of these too.
Uh-huh. The
That
ones
looks
that
really
the
cool.
ones that we had before they would fall and hit you in the head.
Yes.
And they had these little devices that you had to tighten. And
Oh, wow.
It was a pain.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, it was a nuisance.
Nice big air
Yeah.
conditioner.
And it's quiet.
Yes.
It's
That makes a
quiet.
difference.
Yeah.
People don't realize that that's kind of the things that you should look for.
Yeah. And it's
I
got
like
a
your
little-
window shades too, your covers.
Yeah. And what's nice is you can put them down separately. You can put them, they're infinitely adjustable.
Right.
There's a nice screen that comes down in the back. A
Yeah.
bug screen
Yep.
kind of a thing.
Perfect.
Yeah. So it's
And that like basically folds down, right?
yeah, this slides out and then these come
Okay.
in. And
Got
what's
it.
nice about it is they're all electric. The other ones we used to have to take the things off,
Right.
put a thing across.
Now they're
put it
all
in.
electric.
It's all electric.
Really cool. I like the color scheme in here too. It's
Yeah,
really nice.
but we actually we were looking for a different exterior color,
Mm-hmm.
and of course everything is controlled by this screen. It's all
Yeah.
yeah.
What is this called? What is the model
It's a
of it?
Grech.
A Grech.
Right there.
Grech.
Grech.
Got it.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Thank you for showing me that.
Yeah.
I was born with a fistful of fire. Never learned how to lay it down. Ran my mouth like a runaway liar. Left a stain on my name in this town. Now the mirror won't meet me in the morning. Even shadows don't stick around too long. A man can get tired of his own damn story. I know every chapter and everyone's wrong. I've done a lot of wrong and told so many lies. I've seen the toll and the shame in my lover's eyes. I just want things to be the way they used to be. Oh, I'm dead to shame, and shame's dead to me. Whiskey kept my secrets in its cellar till they clawed their way up through the cracks. I was a taker, sinner, storyteller. Never paid a debt, never looked back. But guilt's got a way of staying patient, collecting interest on your soul. I'm trying to crawl from the mess I made, but redemption ain't free, and grace feels cold. I've done a lot of wrong and told so many lies. I've seen the toll and the shame in my lover's eyes. I just want things to be the way they used to be. Oh, I'm dead to shame, and shame's dead to me. If there's a road to mercy, Lord, I'm walking barefoot on the stones I laid myself. If forgiveness is talking, I'm listening, even if it ain't for me or anyone else. I don't deserve a second of heaven, but I'm reaching out to find a friend. If hope's a river, let me step in, wash this old heart clean again. I've done a lot of wrong and told so many lies. I've seen the toll and the shame in my lover's eyes. I just want things to be the way they used to be. Oh, I'm dead to shame, and shame's dead to me. Yeah, I buried that burden where the cold winds blow, but the memory still follows like a ghost, I know. One day maybe mercy will set me free. Till then I'm dead to shame, and shame's dead to me.